I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. For this sequence, we need a tennis ball. Okay? Place your foot over your tennis ball and circle. And to massage the sole of your foot. And reverse circle. And when you find some tight spots, pause there and deeply breathe into that tight spot. And other side. Of course, you can do all those movements while sitting down on the chair. Circle. And reverse circle. And when you find some tight spots, deeply breathing into those areas. And very good. So right now I'm gonna put the ball aside. Okay, so now, again, next exercise you can continue doing it sitting down while sitting down on the chair. Okay, so right now, point, flex, point, flex, point, flex, point, flex, point, a couple of times. And after that, circle 1, 2, 3. And reverse circle 1, 2, 3. Let's do the other side. Point, flexed, point, flex. Few times. Slow and controlled movement. Okay, now circle 1, 2, 3. Reverse 1, 2, 3. Very good. And then one leg forward and bend front knee and try to keep back heel pressing down onto the floor. Okay? Inhale, exhale, higher lunge position. And try to feel stretch from heel to calf. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. 2, 3 more breaths. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now change. Switch. And then back heel pressing down onto the mat. Front knee bent and higher lunge position. And inhale, exhale for 1. Feel the stretch from heel to calf. Breathe deeply through the nose. Keep your spine tall. And after 5 deep breaths, release. Okay? So now inhale, exhale, forward bend. And walk your fingertips forward. Take Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. With pedaling, inhale onto your toes, exhale one heel down. Press your heel onto the floor. And continue. Connect your movement with your breath. let your feet, let your heel melting down to the floor. Feel the stretch heel to calf. So now, bring your knee down and tuck your heels and sit onto your heel. And you can a little bit play around, shifting your spine, slightly lean forward or backward. And tucking your toes and sitting onto your heel to stretch your ankle and also the sole of your foot and also toes. Inhale, exhale deep. Sinking your hips down toward the floor, toward your heel. Let your spine grow taller. Inhale and exhale. So now, lower squat, garland pose, Malasana. Okay? Place your knee with your elbow and keep your chest open and lifted. And gaze directly straight. Let's take 5 deep breaths. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!